Creating clear, easy to follow procedures used to take hours. You had to type out the instructions, take screenshots, format the guide, export as a PDF, and then hope employees could actually find it when they needed help. Well, with ScreenSteps, that changes. Simply navigate to the web application you're documenting. It could be a core system, CRM, loan origination system, or any other browser-based tool. Open up the ScreenSteps Sidekick and hit record. Then just talk through the procedure like you're explaining it to a coworker, and click through the steps as you go. When you're done, ScreenSteps combines your clicks and audio transcript to automatically generate a clean step-by-step guide that's simple to follow. Hit publish, and that guide is instantly available in your ScreenSteps knowledge base, and right inside the web application it was built for. So when a coworker is working in the system and needs guidance, they can open the guide you created right next to them and follow those exact steps. So just walk through the procedure once by simply talking and clicking through it. Let ScreenSteps build the guide for you, and then from that point on, every employee in your company can do the job correctly every time.